Hey, welcome to How to Fix It Workshop. My name is Josh, and if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you've been here before, thanks for coming back. I am back in the garage again this week for the Abandoned Garage Rehab Series. Let's see, what are we working on this time? So this week, we're going to be trying to get rid of all of these branches, this huge mess that we made last week, by cutting down all the limbs that were hanging over the top of the garage up here. And we got a new mess here by the dumpster. We'll try to get that cleaned up before we leave. There's a bird. All right, getting distracted. So we're gonna get rid of all of this. I brought my Sawzall with me this week. We're gonna get rid of all this stuff that we cut down last week, take it down the street into the green dumpster. And then once we're finished with that, I'm just going to go ahead and set these items out here behind the garage. And then lastly, I want to measure for these windows. I'd like to at least replace these two windows that were cinder block filled at some point in the past, and possibly fill them with glass blocks. I've been trying to find some glass blocks online on Marketplace to see if I can find anything that's free, and I'm not having any luck with anything that's close to me, so I'm also going to price out just some windows. So that's what's on the agenda. I try to keep these videos pretty short because I'm only here one day a week and I may as well just release them. I also like the shorter content of some of these DIY renovation situations. A lot of the videos that I see on YouTube these days tend to be like 45 minutes, an hour, 2 hours long, and I don't know, I feel like that's just way too long for a video. So hopefully you like this shorter format that are videos that are going to be released more frequently. If you like that kind of thing, please leave me a comment, hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, any of those things. I'd be very excited to hear some feedback from people on what they think about this project overall, any insight, any guidance. Just feel free to drop me a comment. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to work. You may be wondering how a shopping cart ended up in the garage. Well, so am I. I really have no idea. But I'm going to make the most of it and use it to haul our mess down to the green waste dumpster. I think it's an Aldi cart because let it roll downhill on its own. Got the little quarter there. Quarter's still in it. And it looks relatively new. Anyway, let's unload this pile. Getting rid of those limbs was a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. It didn't take me very long at all, maybe 20 minutes or so. And while I was cooling off, I took some measurements of the windows in here, so I got a couple things crossed off the list. All these windows ended up being the same size. They're about 36 inches by 36 inches, so I'll calculate quantity of glass blocks that I'll need to fill in at least the front two, and we'll see where we go from there. And the last thing I need to do is get rid of this old washing machine and furnace, but before I do that, there might be something that you can help me with. See, I want to, in the not too distant future, one of the items on the list here is to paint the exterior of this garage. And I'm really having a hard time trying to figure out what color to paint it. The house is kind of it's a light beige. I would almost call it a light yellow color, and I don't know what kind of a color would look good with a light beige. So let's just go take a quick look. I don't know if it'll turn out very well on camera. This is the color of the house. It's obviously very dirty right now, so the house needs to be power washed, but maybe looking here, it's light beige, kind of a yellow. And I say kind of a yellow because this house is also light beige, but has more of a brown tone to it. So what would be a good color for that garage? I don't know. I thought about going with almost like a complementary color to yellow, which would be like a navy blue, but that might not quite look right. Just looking for something to give it a little bit more of a inviting look back here. If you're sitting out here or looking from the kitchen window, what would be a good color? So imagine glass block windows. That door can be painted whatever color. It's a solid door. We can paint that and just kind of dress it up. But I'm really struggling with what color to paint it. Don't want it to look too industrial because it already is a very blah style building. It's just square, flat roof, unlike some of the other garages in the area that all have peaked roofs. So let me know your thoughts. Unfortunately, at this point, it was getting late in the day and I was exhausted and forgot to turn my microphone on. So I decided to grab the washing machine and manhandle it through the garage and out to the street, well, to the alley, and I got rid of that old fan. I don't think it worked anymore anyway. And then this furnace was a little bit easier. I was able to just kind of rock it back and forth and eventually pull it out. I did get a pretty nice scrape on my arm though as I was working with the furnace, and I'll look at my arm. Yeah, right there. That's when it happened. No big deal. So somebody will come along and pick these up for scrap. I could have gotten rid of them myself, but I didn't really feel like dealing with the hassle. Last thing was to get rid of this rug, and this was probably the most disgusting part of the day. I was rolling this up and you could just see all the mold that was under it, and I think I was like coughing and gagging and saying I should be wearing a respirator because it was super gross and dusty. I was just trying to hold my breath. And I tried to roll it up, fold it up so that it was easy to carry out to the dumpster. You can see the dust just kind of popping up right there. Yeah, finally I was able to get it folded as it just kept throwing dust up in the air. Picked that up and carried it out. And then here I think I was just saying, man, it is hot and I am sweaty. So I'm going to wrap it up and just wanted to thank everybody for watching. If you made it in the video this far, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.